Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a sales dataset from Kaggle to uncover insights that can drive business decisions. We'll use Kaggle's built-in Jupyter notebooks to analyze datasets, apply transformation, and discover important trends and patterns. On screen, you'll see the first 4 steps we need to complete to answer our data exploration questions. Let's start and stick around for some surprising findings at the end.
After uploading sales data folder containing the CSV files of monthly data sales from the year 2019, pwede na natin in-access yung files sa Kaggle. So bago tayo mag-merge, our first step will be to define the files we're looking with to make sure all necessary data is included and ready for analysis. So here, we are importing 2 libraries, which is the Pandas and OS. Pandas for data manipulation and analysis, especially useful for working with data frames, while OS is for interacting with the operating system, but in this case, to manage file paths. Next is path to the sales data subfolder. Dito, nagsiset naman tayo ng path papunta sa folder na may sales data file. Which is, ayan yung pangalan ng file namin, Kaggle into sales data. Next is need to call data frame. Here we can create an SQL call data frame kung saan natin i-create ang bawat data frame na mag-represent sa bawat CSV file. Look through all CSV files in the sales data folder. For file in OS that is create, open sales parenthesis sa folder path. Sa line na to is nag-look tayo sa all files sa sales data folder. Nare-return nito ang list of all files sa folder at kasi lang i-look sa suitable na file. If file.ends with close and open parenthesis.csv, dito is chine-check yung line kung ang current file ay may .csv extension. Read each CSV file into a data frame. Dito naman natin nababasa ang bawat CSV file at sinisave ito sa isang data frame. Yung pd.read CSV ang function from Pandas na nagbabasa ng CSV file at nagre-return ng data frame. Yung os.path.join sa folder underscore path and file, ito naman yung naglalagay ng buong path ng file para mabasa ni pt.read underscore CSV. Then after that, append the data frame to the list. Dito naman, ina-append natin ang bawat data frame sa data frames list at piniprint natin ang confirmation message sa bawat file loaded. So here, we can see the output. Ito po yung na-print natin since nag-load po yung lahat ng sales data sa data frame. Next, reading updated data frames. Number 1 is check if any data frames were added. If not data frame, mag-print siya ng no CSV files were loaded. Else, ikino-combine naman natin ang lahat ng data frame sa isang malaking data frame called merge_df. Kapag na-merge na ang lahat ng data frame sa data frames list at nire-reset naman ito ang index. Save the merge data frame to a new CSV files. Ito naman is sinisave niya yung merge data frame sa path na to with index equals to false para hindi kasama ang index sa column sa CSV. Yung print, this is an optional step lang para makita ang summary information ng merge_df using that info. So, dito makita natin lahat ng data columns which consist of total of 6 columns. Meron tayong order ID, product, quantity order, price each, order date, and purchase order address.
Number 3, clean up the data. It is crucial to clean up the data to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and readability in analysis. First step under cleaning up the data is drop all rows with none. Not a number value is a placeholder in data analysis that represents the missing or mga undefined values na kadalasan makikita when using data libraries. Kailangan i-drop ang mga non-values kasi ang mga user ay minsan nag-input ng blank data which is considered default in sales data analysis. Next step is get rid of text in order date column. Dito is nire-remove ang any non-date text sa order date column which ang benefit nito is para maging easy ng mga dates sa further operations ng analysis. Next step is correct data types. Dito, kino-convert yung data type into proper formats, where yung sa una, ang order date column, at yung ibang mga data type is lahat object, as you can see. Then after the executing the correcting of data types, you will see the quantity order, which is before it is object. After the executing the correction of data types, it becomes int64, as well as price each. Ang data type niya ay naging float 64. Order date, which is date times 64, open bracket containing ns. We use this data type na date times 64 para na-ensure ang effective at accurate analysis of time-related data.
Number 4, augment data with additional columns for month and city. The purpose of doing this is to see patterns in sales over time and by location. The month column will help us find the best sales months, while yung city column naman will then help us show which cities have higher sales. When adding the month column, we will extract the month from the column of ordered date dun sa merge data frame natin. And kung titingnan natin yung merge data frame natin under the order date column, naka-format completely ng date and time at naka-numerical representation pa yung mga data. Pero sa perspective natin as human, mas mabilis maintindihan kung naka-text characters ang gagamitin sa months. So we will use dt month name method. From there, instead na 8 ang nakalagay sa month column, it is easier to identify na August yung month na yun. And the same rule applies sa ibang months. Ang best practice dito is to use month names, the numeric representation to avoid any confusion and effective data presentation. Sa city column naman, from this code, in-extract natin yung city from the purchase address column. And it can be seen na added na yung month and city column at tama na rin yung mga expected data and format na kailangan natin.
So next is data exploration. Number 1, what was the best month for sales? How much was earned that month? To get the best month for sales is first mag-import muna tayo ng mga libraries. First is yung pandas library. It's imported as PD and enabling the use of its data frame and analysis capabilities. Then another library is yung calendar library where it imported to easily retrieve month names. Yung magagamit natin yan mamaya, kukunin natin yung mga month names. Next step is yung calculate total sales. Dito, kino-compute natin ang total sales amount for each order by multiplying the quantity ordered by the price of each item. Yung column na total sales ay inad sa merge df, which contains the total revenue for each ordered line. Next step is group by month and calculate total sales. Dito is group natin ang mga total sales sa every line into kung saan sila naman. To aggregate the total sales data by month, allowing for analysis of sales performance over time. Next step is get month names from calendar. Ito na yung method na kukuha ng month name. Dito is yung month order na data frame is kumukuha ng mga month name sa calendar na library, which is by default no 1 kasi i-skip yung first element which contains of an empty value. Next step is set the month column as a categorical type with a specified order. Dito, dinedefine yung month column as a categorical type with a specific order, allowing for proper chronological sorting result. Chronological sorting. Yung month column in monthly sales is converted into a categorical type para ma-ensure yung months are treated in the correct order at magamit for further operations. Next is yung sort by month. Dito is to arrange the monthly sales data frame so that the months appear in a chronological order. Yung result dito is ang pag-display ng months is from January through December. Next is format the total sales as currencies. Dito is to format the total sales figures as currencies, making them easier to read and interpret. It is the reasons why we use the currencies, to make them easier to read and interpret. To reduce an error in interpreting the sales analysis. Have a precise information, details of how much is the total sales is earned on the month. Yung total sales column is format as a string with a dollar sign, commas as thousands, separators, and two decimal places. Next is print the monthly sales data frame. Dito din-display na yung final result of the analysis in the console for review. Ito yung output niya mismo, which is yan, in order siya, na-sort siya from January to December. Then yung total sales niya with format, lambda format niya with my dollar sign, separators, and decimal places. Dito is yung visualization mismo niya, yung graph. Nakikita natin is ang pinakamataas, yung best month sales ay ang December, which has the amount of 4,613,443.34 dollars na earnings.
What city sold the most product? So, para makuha yan, i-distribute sa city and calculate the total sales. Yung code na to is ginagamit para i-group yung data and merge based sa city column tapos kinakalculate ang total sales sa bawat city. Yung reset underscore index naman is yung nag-aayos lang ng index ng bagong data frame para mas malinis tingnan. Next, format sa total sales at current CV format. Ito naman is pina-format nito ang bawat value sa total sales column para magmukhang currency. Kaya nagkakaroon ng dollar sign, format at dalawang decimal places. Yung apply function naman ang nag-a-apply ng format sa bawat row ng total sales. Sort the sales in descending order. Dito naman is sinisort yung may pinakamataas na sales na city. Display the rank result. Dito naman is pinapakita na yung total sales per city na nakaformat na bilang currency, kaya mas madali nang basahin at intindihin. So ayan, ito yung output niya. Makikita natin sa bar chart that it provides a clear visual representation of sales across cities. It helps quickly identify which cities perform best or need attention. Starting from highest to lowest sales immediately highlights the top performing locations, making it easy to identify which cities contribute the most revenue. So makikita nga natin dito na ang city na may most sales product is yung San Francisco. Next, what times did we display advertisement to maximize the likelihood of customer buying product? So makikita natin ulit dito yung libraries na pandas. Kailangan natin mag-import ulit ng library para magamit natin ang mga specific functions dito. Ang pandas library ay hindi automatic na kasama sa Python, kaya kailangan itong import sa bawat session o file para ma-access natin ang mga tools at functions na meron dito. So let's proceed. The first one is to convert quantity ordered and price each to numeric. Ino-convert natin ang quantity ordered at price each column to numeric format para magawa ang math operation. Yung error equals or isang nagbabago sa mga non-numeric value para maiwasan ang error. Convert order date to date time. Ino-convert ang order date to date time format para madali itong process at kunan ng specific na oras gaya ng hour. Next, extract R from order date. Kinukuha naman natin ang R mula sa bawat entry ng order date column at sinasave ito sa bagong column na R. Ito ay para nalaman natin ng sales trend per hour. Next, calculate total sales. Kinakalculate ang total sales sa pamamagitan ng pag-multiply sa quantity ordered at price each at sinasave ito sa bagong column. Next, group by R and sum total sales. Ginagroup natin ang mga data by R at ina-add ang total sales bawat oras. Magbibigay ito ng summary ng total sales bawat oras. Yung code na reset underscore index naman ang nag-aayos ng code bilang isang bagong data frame. Next, format the R column to 12R format with AM and PM during no decimal. Convert natin ang R column mula sa 24R format to 12R format na may AM PM. Ginagamit ang lambda function at modular arithmetic para i-convert ang 0 to 12 at ma-format ang oras na nais na start. Next, get the R with the highest total sales. Hinahanap ang row na may pinakamataas na total sales at kinukuha ang R at total sales. Values para malaman ang pinaka-profitable na oras para mag-advertise. Next, format the total sales column to 2 decimal places and currency. Ito naman, pinaformat yung total sales column para magmukhang currency na may 2 decimal places, dollar sign at comma separator. Next, print the results in 12R format with period and currency. Dito naman is pinuprint na yung pinaka-profitable na oras para mag-advertise na naka-format bilang 12R na may period na AM/PM at earnings na naka-currency format na may 2 decimal places. So makikita natin dito sa output that the data is grouped by R and total sales is sum for each R. The 24R format is converted to a 12R format with AM/PM labels. So So, doon naman sa bar graph ng visualization, the bar plot effectively shows total sales by R. The best performing R is highlighted and orange emphasis. So, makita natin dito, it's yung 7 p.m.
Number 4. What products are most often sold together? First step is import the necessary libraries for data manipulation and analysis. For pandas, is handling data in data frame format. Iter tools to generate combinations of items using the method of combinations. From collections to count the frequency of combinations using counter method. Step 1. Group by order ID and create list of products sold together. Dito ginugroup yung data by order ID and create a list of products sold in each order. Yung variable na group ay nilagyan ng laman ng order ID at product sa data frame na merge TF. Next step is to create a list to hold a product combination. Dito dineclare ang paglalamanan ng mga pinag-combine na products. Next step is to generate all combination of products for each order. Dito naman is niloloop yung mga list ng products sa group na data frames where it generates all products na pwede makombine. Step 4, count the frequency of each product's combinations. Yung process ng pag-count which method is counter ay nililist ang frequency in each possible combinations of products. Next step is kino-convert yung counts to a data frame for better readability. Dito kino-convert yung counter object into pandas data frame para madali ang pag-read at pag-analyze ng data. Step 6, sort by frequency in descending order. Dito ay sinusort yung data frame kung ano yung best na mas-sold na products in pairs. So, as you can see, descending siya, which is yung ascending niya na code is false. Next steps is format the frequency column with commas. As best practice is nilalagyan ng mga separators, dollar signs, or 2 decimal places. Dito is, ang kailangan natin dito is mga commas to get the precise information details sa kung ano yung frequency ng mismong product combinations. Then last is yung pag-print, pag-display ng most common product pairs. Ito po yung result niya. And the most often sold products are iPhone and lightning charging cable which has a frequency of 1005. Hindi na tayo gumamit dito ng graph. Okay. In the form of descending order, ma-identify natin agad kung ano yung pinaka mas best na mas-sold ng mga products, top sold products pair.
Which of the products are considered to be fast-moving and slow-moving products? To find the fast and slow-moving products, gagamitin natin ang product and quantity ordered columns for us to get the total quantity sold for each product. And then, gagamit tayo ng method ng median. Bakit median? Kasi it represents the middle value at pag nahanap na natin yung median, products with highest sales than median will be considered as fast-moving products. And if otherwise, they will be part of slow-moving products. Based on the data, we have a total count of 19 products and those products na may ordered count na above or higher than median ay considered na fast-moving products. And it includes AAA batteries, AA batteries, USB-C charging cable, lightning charging cable, wired headphones, Apple AirPods headphones, Bose Sound Sport headphones, 97 inches, Full HD monitor, and iPhone. At yung mga products naman na below median na may ordered count na mas mababa kaysa sa median, it includes the LG dryer, LG washing machine, very bad phone, 20 inches monitor, ThinkPad laptop, MacBook Pro laptop, flat screen TV, Google phone, 34 inches ultra-wide monitor, 27 inches 4K gaming monitor. And they are considered to be slow-moving products. Dito naman sa graph, we used horizontal line graph with 2 colors for easier comparison and to emphasize the top performers or fast-moving products at the top of the graph. So yung mga green bars, yun yung mga fast-moving products at yung mga naka-red bars naman, yun yung mga slow-moving products. Ang best practice for this is to choose the right chart or graph appropriate for the data that you are presenting. And that ends our data analysis presentation.
Thanks for watching. Your support means a lot to us. Until next time, keep exploring the data and making informed business decisions.